Yesterday, on the eve of Republic Day, Government of India announced Padmaavat. Government of India announced Padma Awards in various fields. You all know, in India, we have various civilian awards. Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri. This year, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shris were announced. Padma Vibhushan, some important personalities who got Padma Awards. Ilayaraja, Padma Vibhushan, Art and Music, he belonged to Tamil Nadu. Ilayaraja got Padma Vibhushan, Art and Music, he belonged to Tamil Nadu. Ghulam Mustafa Khan, Art and Music, Maharashtra. Parameshwaran, Literature and Education, Kerala. Sri Parameshwaran, Literature and Education, Kerala. These three persons got Padma Vibhushan. Padma Bhushan, many people got. Example, Pankaj Advani from Billiards, Karnataka, Billiards field, Karnataka. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Sports, Cricket, Padma Bhushan. Or Ramachandra Nagaswamy, Archaeology, Tamil Nadu. Lakshmi Pai, Art and Painting, Goa. So many people got Padma Bhushans. 12 people got Padma Bhushans. And coming to Padma Shri, Kirimbi Srikanth from Andhra got Padma Shri. Kirimbi Srikanth from Andhra got Padma Shri. In total, there are 85 persons who got Padma Shri. 85 persons who got Padma Shri. So very good civilian honors, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. And a gold artist, Bajju Shyam. Gold artist, Bajju Shyam also got Padma Shri. Gold artist, Bajju Shyam also got Padma Shri. India Asian. Yesterday is very historic for India, where all Asian leaders have come to India, and today on the eve of Republic Day, all 10 Asian country leaders present in India. One surprising news, in Padma Shri, 10 people got Padma Shri from 10 countries in Asia. From each Asian country, one person got selected to Padma Shri. This is the respect which we have given to Asian countries on the eve of our Republic Day. 10 people from 10 countries in Asia also got Padma Shri. They also got Padma Shri. This is very important to remember. India and Asia are going to work for freedom of navigation. India and Asia are going to work for freedom of navigation. All Asian leaders in India yesterday spoke about rule-based architecture relating to international navigation. In a way, they are asking China to follow certain rules in international navigation. In fact, Modi's speech is very important in this aspect. In 27 newspapers in 10 Asian countries, today, in 27 newspapers in 10 Asian countries, Modi wrote open page editorials. Modi's op-ed was published in 27 newspapers today in all 10 Asian countries, and all the people in Asian countries woke up by reading the article of Narendra Modi in their various newspapers. Very historic thing to remember. Next important article today is in Telangana, harsh language might be a cognizable offence. In future, in Telangana, if you use harsh language, it might be a cognizable offence. So people might book a case if you use harsh language in Telangana. Telangana state is contemplating for this. So using harsh language might be a cognizable offence. Remember this. Next is held by the mob. Today's editorial Hindu is held by the mob. In Gurugram, the bus with school children got attacked. The bus with school children. If you see the incident, Padmaavat movie. There are some issues for some certain groups relating to Padmaavat movie. That does not mean they can attack each and every area. Children are most vulnerable. Attacking school bus should be condemned. State have the responsibility to protect vulnerable sections. State have the responsibility to protect the vulnerable sections. Next article is German tangle. T-A-N-G-L-E, German tangle. In Germany, few months back, in the elections, the government of Angela Merkel, Christian Democratic Party, did not get sufficient majority to form the government. Till now there were talks for coalition with Green Party, but the talks were failed. Now, Social Democrats are looking for an opportunity. Earlier they thought of sitting in the opposition party. Now, there are talks between Social Democrats and Christian Democrats. You should also understand this angle. Next article is about the grounding of Air India. Air India has 50,000 crore losses, and government recently announced disinvestment in Air India 49% through government route. FDI can come under government route, not under automatic route. Disinvestment 49% in Air India. The reasons are many. Reason number one, for one aircraft on an average, 750 staff for Air India. 750 staff, overstaff. No operational losses. Sometimes Air India will have a flight to connect interlands which are not a viable option. Sometimes for nation building objective, Air India runs a flight for a certain country or to certain place for losses. And delaying flights, VIP flights. When a VIP is coming to that flight, if the VIP is late, the flight will get delayed. All these things made Air India to enter into losses. Earlier, around 56 to 60% of India's airline business is owned by Air India. Now it is not more than 14%. One public sector government undertaking going to the losses, and Air India is not just a business for government. Air India is not just for a business, just a business for government. Okay, you have to understand this. Next important article is reading the Constitution. Today is Republic Day, and the article spoke about many issues. Who wrote the Constitution? Why did they write it? Is it only B.R. Ambedkar? Is it the group who wrote the Constitution? What is the philosophy behind the Constitution? What is the pictorial representation behind the constitution? Nandlal Bose, a famous painter, have given pictorial representation which depicted Ramayana and also Mughal paintings. Mughals, everything. All the things, pictorial representation in the constitution. So all these things is very important. Constitution should be a basic text for all. It should be a Bible, a Bhagavad Gita and a Quran for Indians. Children should know how to read the constitution. And basic principles of the constitution should be followed. Basic principles of the constitution should be followed. Constitution should be read beyond religions because it's the supreme law of the land. And the philosophy and spirit and constitutional morality should be followed. That is the gist of the article. And they spoke about many things. They spoke about many things about how constitution is being flouted, how constitution is shown, the perspectives of the constitution is seen with a myopic vision. All these things are very important. The next article is, should euthanasia be allowed? Should euthanasia be allowed? Euthanasia means mercy killing. Some say in India, mercy killing cannot be allowed because euthanasia cannot be allowed. For every reason, people might go for euthanasia. Already we have female infanticide, female feticide, killing of the girl child, or killing of the female fetuses is very common in India. And disabled children, or old age people, or people who met with accidents, serious injuries, multiple injuries, they and their families might opt for euthanasia. And even in Aruna Shanbag case, Aruna Ramchandra Shanbag case is a very famous case for euthanasia. Aruna Ramachandra Shanbag case is a very famous case in euthanasia. Even in this government, the Supreme Court said euthanasia cannot be allowed in India. There are two types of euthanasia, passive and active. Passive means taking away life support system. Passive euthanasia means taking away life support system. Active means going for some lethal injection, an active way of promoting euthanasia. So in India, assisted killing bill was under consideration, but not yet completely known. So in India, the situation is very complex. Euthanasia cannot be legalized in India. Mahatma Gandhi said, if my son is suffering with rabies, when there is no cure for him, there is no relief for him. When there is no cure for him, there is no relief for him, I can go for mercy killing. I can kill him. It is not violence. So Mahatma Gandhi supported mercy killing when there is no relief from agony. When a man is facing severe agony, there is no wrong in taking away his life. It does not come under violence. This is the perspective of Mahatma Gandhi. You have to develop your own argument, your own vision on euthanasia. This is very important. Next important current affair is Diksha. It was launched by Ministry of HRD, Human Resource Development. Diksha, Digital Infrastructure for Knowledge Sharing. Diksha is Digital Infrastructure for Knowledge Sharing. This is important. Diksha, Digital Infrastructure for Knowledge Sharing. Next, National Monsoon Mission. National Monsoon Mission. It was started by Ministry of Earth Sciences. National Monsoon Mission was started by Ministry of Earth Sciences. The aim of the National Monsoon Mission, is to predict or forecast the monsoon rainfalls. The monsoons or rainfalls in different states. It's called National Monsoon Mission. Ministry of Home Affairs started a new strategy, operational strategy called Samadhan in left-wing extremist areas. To fight left-wing extremism, Ministry of Home Affairs started Samadhan, SAMADHAN. S for smart leadership. In Samadhan, S for smart leadership, M for motivation and training, A for actionable intelligence, D for dashboard based, D for dashboard based result areas, D for dashboard based result areas and key performance indicators. D for dashboard based result areas and key performance indicators. Dashboard based result areas and key performance indicators. H for harnessing technology. H for harnessing technology. A for action plan for each theatre. A for action plan for each theatre. N for no action to financing. N for no action to financing. Okay, these are the important current affairs.